civil danger warning for the state of Illinois. The following message is being transmitted by the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. An animal with anomalous properties is heading west throughout central Illinois. This animal is a deer that has a capability of emitting a powerful beam that can transform or destroy any matter that comes in contact with the beam. Exposure to this beam is fatal. No weapons can eliminate, kill, or stop this animal. Military forces are trying to find out a way to stop this animal. Meanwhile, residents in Illinois are advised to stay indoors, lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, lock yourself in a room with fewer doors and windows, stay hidden, do not make any noises, and make sure you have enough food, water, and medical supplies that can last you at least 2 to 3 weeks.